Okay, market update. So today when the market's doing what I thought it's been supposed to have been doing for the last couple of days, which is pulling back. Right now I'm up $613. That can change very quickly. $15,258 is my balance. This is my trade log. So far, I still think that today is going to be a big down day. I think. I'm not sure. I'm supposed to be a trader, not a fortune teller. That's something I learned yesterday. So right now I'm looking for retracements. I'm gonna pause and we'll see how I do. A market recap. It's 6:58 a.m. September 16th. We're currently making a profit $649, $660. I'm holding a long position. I bought it at 24,293. I'm looking to go short again. I think today's market is going to be relatively to the downside. We are down 8 points. Count balance 15,100. We'll see how we do. I did lose money yesterday. I lost like 700, $800. So today might be a day that I recover at least one of those losses. On Friday, I lost another 700 bucks. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it'll go into a price level where I can go back and go short, which I think will be somewhere around here, hopefully. But if it starts collapsing, I'll just have to get out and stay out. Okay, trading update. We're at $850. We're holding a long position. I might have made another two trades. Um, let's see, I'm trying to watch this market at the same time. So it looks like it's trying to move down. We're down 7 points on the market. I'm up 850. I think we're still in a market that's gonna pull back. So that's what I'm working on right now. Okay, market update. So I found the pullback that I was looking for. I managed to do a trade at this level, and then this is my new purchase price, 24,293. I'm now long at this price. I made $190 there. So I'm up $1,300. Let's see. So I think I want to sell it actually. And sell it. Looks like a good price to get out at. Let's see. Okay, so I'm up 1,300. 1,300. It's 7:21 a.m. I made another $169. I'm at 16,034. My all-time high for my account last week was 16,100. I had two losing days. I had Friday and yesterday was a losing day too. But I'm pretty much back to that level. Here's my equity curve. I don't even know what that says there. What does it say? Let's find out. Huh, value 500. Oh, look, is this really? 700. Anyways, I think this is a good short position now. Let me see. Let's see if we can go short, like around. See, sometimes I just pick random numbers, and sometimes they work out, and sometimes they don't, right? But according to this is one big green candle. Um, Let's see if we can get in like around, should have gone in a second ago. Okay, there we go. We're short 6 contracts again. And I'm just gonna try and see if it'll give me any money. And if it doesn't, I'll just get out. So I'm gonna pause for a bit. I'll be back. Okay, market update. So I'm at 1546 and I think I'm done trading for the day. I have to go to work. But here's my log. I have 3 losses and several wins. They added up to $1,546. I actually opened the trading day, I think today, like negative 200, so I'm up probably more like 1,700. But according to my calculations, you know, I like to do this kind of math. So 1546 divided by 12, which is what I was trading 6 contracts. So I've made 128 points already. 128 points, and the market is down that much. See, like this is a good trade right there. That's a good trade. That pullback, minus 20. Believe it or not, that might be a pretty decent trade to get in. So, so much for being done, right? Now I'm gonna see if I can sell it on the upswing. We'll see. If it goes down like, you know, like 10 points or something, I'll get out. That's typically like my range that I'm trying to get out at. But this could be a decent trade here. Let's see if it, right now it's kind of hovering around. Might make another, if it goes up, might make another, you know, 60 bucks, 80 bucks or something. So anyway, so for now I'm leaving. I'm gonna watch this on my mobile phone because I can't take my workstation with me. And we'll see how the rest of the day goes. I'll try and wrap it up later on today. Okay, so I managed to sell it. Made $64. So that took like a minute and a half, I think. So I bought it at 90, sold it at 96. So this is called a scalp, this small little move. But I have several, they're all different sizes: 219, 169, 190, 105, 106, 196, 120, 136, $52. So my smallest scalp has been this $52 one. And so for now, the market, oh, see it pulled back again. It's making me, I mean, if it goes down to 85, maybe even 80, I can even set up. Okay, well, anyways, I think I'm going to stop here, 1610. Now I'm higher than my previous high was 16,100, now I'm 16,317. And that's it. Have a great day. Have a great day for now. Okay, traders. I'm going to wrap this video up. It's already 3:22 p.m. So the account balance is now 16,477. I am holding, what is it? I'm swing trading 5 contracts. Here they are. 5 contracts on the overnight, on the after hours. Or I don't know, what do you want to call it? After hours, pre-market. It's somewhere around those lines, but let's call it the after hours trading. And tomorrow in the morning is going to be called the pre-market. So I'm holding 5 long positions. The market is up 17 points already, so I'm up 175 bucks already. A realized gain of $1,558, and I'm currently unrealized. I don't know how these numbers are popping up like this. Look at that, 235, but it says 181 over here. My execution log, let's see, so I start out losing 81 bucks, and then I started making, so today I had 1, 2, 3, 4 losses, but I'll outperform my losses with some gains. And the last one this was an auto liquidation. This was, I didn't have the margin to hold the last 2 contracts. And so the system liquidated me at 1:01 p.m. That position ended up with a small gain of $51, but I'm still holding the bulk of the position, which is right here, 5 contracts long. The anticipation is that tomorrow the federal government's going to cut rates. That's the anticipation. I think, given the fact that there's an anticipation, the market will rise to meet the anticipation effect. And so for now, I felt like it was a good strategy to hold during the after hours. And of course, I'm going to keep monitoring. My exit, if I had one, will be about 23 200 and like 90, something like that, like 15 points down, and I'll get out. I'll get out sort of like where this one got out at 24 290. That's where I'll get out. Sorry, excuse me. But my equity curve is here. I started out with 0. I don't know why it's that. But anyways, and then we are we're now anticipating tomorrow as a big day, the rate cut. I don't know how I'm going to perform tomorrow. Historically, when the FOMC speaks, it's a bloodbath. It's horrible for traders. It's good for investors, horrible for traders. The market is way too volatile. So if I do trade, I'm going to trade up to like 11, close to 11 a.m., which is when the Federal Reserve will release their numbers or their adjustments, and then I'm going to get out. So we'll see what tomorrow happens, how tomorrow evolves, sorry, and what happens tomorrow. For now, that's it. And remember, it's just entertainment. I'm a hobbyist, not a professional. I'm just reporting some of my activities. So this is not advice. I'm not trying to encourage anyone to trade. If you do, trade at your own risk. That's it. Thank you.